Good morning, students. We are starting the second act of the play Andha Yug by Dharamveer Bharti, and the act is entitled The Making of a Beast. It begins with the lines of the chorus, and the chorus says, "Even Sanjaya, that rational sculptor of words, is bewildered in this forest of doubt and confusion. His responsibility is great, his words are few, his listeners are blind, but at this moment of danger, only he can tell the truth. And yet, even Sanjaya, ensnared by this night of delusions, stands distracted on this path of thorns and stones. The curtain rises. We see a path through a forest. A soldier who has laid his weapons aside lies on the ground with his face covered. Sanjaya enters. I have lost my way on this path of thorns and stones. How far is Hastinapur? Will I ever reach it? Unwittingly, Vyasa cursed me. You will survive disaster, floods, revolutions, and wars of annihilation so that you can tell the truth. So, students, these are the lines by the character of Sanjaya, and as we had studied in our previous classes also, that Sanjay is also highly disillusioned, and he feels so helpless that he has been given the boon of immortality because he does not want to live any more. But how can I tell the truth to the blind? It was an utterly new experience to feel the cold edge of Satyaki's word and know that the edge of Satyaki's sword and know that death was so close. It was a moment of supreme terror. I felt as if someone had slashed through all the experiences of my soul as swiftly as an arrow slices through a lotus stem. How can I, after my humiliating experience, tell them the whole truth? Kritavarma says, "Be brave, Sanjaya, for only you can tell them about Duryodhana's defeat." Now Sanjay is thinking that he had been given a very difficult task, that he has to narrate all the incidents of the war to Dhritarashtra and Gandhari since they are blind, but it is a very painful thing for him to do, to tell them about the defeat of their son. So Sanjay is also in a very painful state of mind, but how he manages to do his duty of fulfilling his role of telling about the incidents of the war to Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, that we'll see in our next class. That is all for today. Thanks.